Welcome to a video on how to use magnetic polish. Here's an example of magnetic polish that I'm going to use today. There are several brands. It's up to you to decide which brand you're comfortable with. I'm using the plate which comes with this brand. It's one that I've used a couple of times. I liked it. I'm going to use the plate. So you can use one of these if it makes you feel more comfortable about making sure that it doesn't crash into each other, or you can do it without as well. Now to begin, you just take the magnetic polish. Make sure to shake the bottle because you want to make sure that it's an even mix. So just really shake the bottle and then you're good to start. So here we go. Exciting. See how I want to have a thick coat, not too thick though, but just enough that it's evenly there, because I'm not gonna have a second coat, so I want to get it right the first time round. There we are. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna place it the way I want to, and I'm just gonna hold it right there, just close enough, and I'm gonna wait, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we have it. It's clear magnetic polish, but I held it in a direction where it covered this side. So that's that. And you can do fun new designs, like depending on the nail plate that you have. You can go with different designs. There are tons of designs out there, so you can really be creative. But remember, just because I have the stripes plate doesn't mean that all my nails are going to be in one direction. I can change it and I can have a straight design. So I can hold it here. I'm going to count to 15 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, here it is. Let me zoom into the camera a little over there. You see that? Now, over here I have the design going upward, whereas on the other nail I have it going sideways. I can keep doing it in different directions, so it has a fun mix. But the key is to make sure that you've got a good layer of nail polish on your nail, because you have to keep in mind that you get only one chance, and if it goes wrong, use acetone and just completely remove it, because if not you're gonna end up having a really thick layer. So this time I'm going with a different angle. So as you can see, it's already falling into place. You can, depending on how dark you want it to be, you can hold it for longer or lesser time. And here we have it in another angle. You can just keep doing that, and you really can't go really wrong on this. A lot of people make mistakes with the number of designs they go with. It's really up to you, but if you're going for different directions, make sure that it's the darkness level is even, because if one is really dark and one is light, that's gonna make it look weird and one or two nails might feel a bit off. So remember to just remove those and try try to blend it in with the other colors. And just enjoy how it looks. It's easy, it's not as messy as some of the designs of nail art. Those can get really tricky. In this it's just one directional, or actually you can do it in different directions, but you really can't go too wrong in this. You just hold it next to the polish and it just kind of goes in the direction you hold your light to. So yeah, different kinds of magnetic polish designs. I've made a mess of the sides and have to remove that, but you get the general picture. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and see you again soon. Bye bye.